I gave you my heart.
Hey cuties, it's your girl Cutie with another video. Today we're back with another recreate, and today we're recreating Beyonce's Black is King sunglasses. As you see in my other video, I was wearing some beautiful sunglasses, but today I'm going to show you how I made them. So let's get into the video right quick. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now and be part of the Cutie fam. Why not? Okay cuties, here are the items you'll need. You're going to need A6000 sunglasses, a paintbrush, tweezers, and some crystals. I'm using the kind of crystals that more resemble crystals that she's wearing, and I'm just going to use those. Now here we're about to work on the glasses. You're going to take some E6000, put some of it onto the side, and you're going to take the tweezers and grab some of the gems or the crystals. And you're going to dip the crystals into the glue and you're going to place it on the sunglasses. Easy peasy. Okay cuties, leave a comment down below of which type of gems you use. For me, I definitely like to use the black gems, or I definitely like to use white gems because they kind of give it more like a classy look for me. But leave a comment down below of tell me which type of gems you guys like, because I really like to know. I know what you guys thinking, this will take forever, but actually it's not. It took me 5 minutes just to do this sunglasses. So it's going to be easy for you guys since we're going to have nothing but time on our hands. Since we're sitting in the house and doing nothing, might as well do something with your glasses since they're sitting around looking boring. Why not just jazz them up a little bit? Take your time when you're doing projects like these cuties, because you never know what is going to happen with these, because you might end up finding like an interest in this, like you have a new hobby about this, like have a hobby about blinging or sewing or doing a lot of DIYs. So just take your time with these projects. You never know when you find something that is like go with this but not this exactly. So just have fun and relax. I almost forgot to mention cuties, if you want to look like a cutie, go check out my hair tutorial on how to do your bantu knots. I'll link that down in the description box below. Or do you want to look like your intercessor fierce like Beyonce, and go check out my Black is King Beyonce's bantu knot hair tutorial. I'll also link that down in the description box below. We're almost there guys. We're only almost halfway. So at this time it's a good time to go listen to music while you're doing this, or watch some TV, because this is just not going to be taking that long. Now here we are about to do the sides. I like to do these projects where I bling stuff out because it gives me time to think about creativity or what I'm going to do next, or help me just have fun and just relax for a moment. And now here's what it looks like in halfway point. It's going to look like this. It's going to be like, oh, look what I just did. I know, you just did that. You did it. And now here you gotta do just put these last two little gems on. Cuties, you know that feeling when you finish 1,000 puzzle pieces? Well, that's the same feeling I'm feeling when I'm finishing these glasses up. I feel like I succeeded at finish like 1,000,000 puzzle pieces at once, but we're blinging out these glasses. Don't these glasses look fabulous, cuties? I seriously enjoyed this project. I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to comment down below of which part of the video you liked. hit the little bell to be notified when I post a video, and subscribe to my channel. Why not? Join the Cutie fam, because you're welcome and appreciate you here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties!